Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Carol Isabel Monalu, with student number 2023-32016. So here I will explain further material from the previous on in English. So pay attention to the explain. Okay. Um. Biasa. Okay, introduction. This report documents the practical work on NoSQL database, specifically using MongoDB to manage data for an e-commerce store transaction. Next, database setup. Database name specify the database name used in the practical work, collection name, transaction, purpose store data related to customer transaction in the e-commerce store. Okay, next, for data structure, table transaction, file transaction ID string, unique identify for each transaction, file customer ID string, identifier of the customer making the transaction, file items or array contains information about the production processed in the transaction, file product ID or string, unique identifier for each product, file name string, name the product, file price number, the price unit of the product, file quantity or number, quantity of the product purchased, file price or number, price of the transaction, file payment method or string, payment method used for the transaction, file timestamp or date, time of the transaction in issue date format. Yang next, adding data. Methods DB transaction insert one, add a single document to the collection. DB transaction insert many, add multiple documents to the collection simultaneously. Example. Okay, next. Basic queries. Example queries. Find transaction with payment method credit card, debit transaction find payment method credit card. Find transaction with price greater than 100, debit transaction find price GT 100. Count transaction on a spec that eight debit transaction count documents timestamp GTA ISO date LT ISO date. Okay, next. Logical and array query operators or operator find document that match at least one of the specific criteria. Size operator find array with a specific size. Example queries find transaction with price greater than 100 or payment method PayPal. Debit transaction find or price payment method PayPal. Find transaction involving a product name laptop. Debit transaction find at the items name laptop. Find transaction with at least two product person. Debit transaction find items such to. Next, Data analysis with evaluation query operator. One rigor operators find string that match a regular expression. Group operator group documents based on a specific file. Average operator calculates the average value of a specific files. Example queries: find transaction where the product name contains pawn debit transaction. Find items name regis pawn option I. Find transaction with total greater than the average total of all transaction. Debit transaction aggregate group is null. Average total foreign file total as above average transaction. Sunwin above average transaction. Smudge above average transaction price. Average price. Project ID 0 above average transaction 1. Count transaction by payment method. Debit transaction a grade group underscore ID payment method con someone short con -1. Okay, next. Modifying and updating data. Set operator add or update a specific file. Multipile operator multiply a specific file value by a given value. Example queries: add a new status file with default value pending to all transaction. DB transaction update many. Set status pending. Update the status of a specific transaction. Complete DB transaction update 1. Add a discount file with a value of 10% of the total for transaction with price greater than 100. Set discount multiple price 0 and 1. Okay, next. Mini case study. Objective analysis purchasing partner based on the transaction dataset. Find the 5 most popular products based on purchase quantity. Find the customer with the highest price spending. Create a subset of data containing transactions between specific dates. Delete all transactions with a price less than 100. Okay, that that's all my explanation. Sorry if there any mispronunciation. Thank you.